This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Phonepe and confirming you're logged into the correct account. This matters because gift card balance ties to your user. Once done, tap the Profile or Offers section to find Redeem or Voucher. Enter the gift card code exactly, including hyphens if present, and any PIN when asked. This step credits the amount to your Phonepe wallet or coupons area. Make sure you note where it appears so you can use it for payments later. Now you apply the credited balance during a transaction. Choose the service, recharge, bill, or merchant, and proceed to pay. When the payment screen shows methods, pick Phonepe wallet or redeem voucher so the system uses your gift amount first. If the balance is lower than the bill, split payment will prompt. Select linked bank or saved UPI for the remainder. Because vouchers can expire or have merchant limits, always check the voucher details before confirming to avoid declined payments. Complete the process by reviewing the payment confirmation and ensuring the gift amount is deducted or coupon applied. This proves successful redemption. If the code didn't work, don't retry endlessly. Capture a screenshot of the error and your entered code, then contact Phonepe support with time and details so they can trace it. If the balance is missing, check expiry and merchant restrictions first. If problems persist, escalate with the transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.